Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to export all Google Analytics data. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. Now, if this is your first time here in Google account, just click the Create Account option, and from here, just follow the on-screen instructions, and you're good to go. Now, exporting data ensures you have a backup copy in case of accidental data loss, system failures, or disruptions in data access. Because Google Analytics has data retention policies that may limit how long historical data is kept, so exporting data allows you to archive and retain historical analytics data between Google's default retention periods. But sometimes, exporting data enables more in-depth analysis using external tools or software that may offer advanced statistical analysis. Because, as you all know, Google Analytics is quite limited in terms of the machine learning or visualization capabilities. It is not available within the platform. Now, for us to be able to export the data here, all I have to do is hover to the left side panel of your platform. I need you to click on the reports. And what will happen is you would be forwarded here on the examine user behavior. I need you to click on the overview. Okay? Now, what will happen is once you have the access here, what will happen is it will be able you to create a custom reports tailored to specific business needs, combining Google Analytics data with other internal datasets for comprehensive analysis. What I usually do when I export data here in Google Analytics, I use Microsoft Excel or the Google Sheets as well. All right. So if you're a fan of the Google Workspace or the platform, you might want to use Google Sheets instead of the Microsoft Excel. Now, after that, the next thing that you need to do is, as you can see, the share this report option. You have the option to share this report via email. All I have to do is, of course, send via email. You have the report format in a PDF or CSV. Now, after that, you also have the option to change the language. Now, we have a separate video on how to change the language settings here on the Google Analytics. You might want to check that out if you are a big fan of our channel. After that, you can also have an option to share link instead. If you wanted the report to be edited by one of your collaborators, team members, your client, your boss, or within the organization. Now, you see the download file here? That is where you can export this data into a PDF file, export to Google Sheets, or download via CSV. What I normally do is export all of these to Google Sheets. All right, let me do that right now. Now, once you do that, all you have to do is click the import the data option. Now, what happens was you were directed to the Google Sheets option, wherein the exported file here can be, of course, customized, like if you wanted to add formulas and a lot more. All right. Now, from here, as you can see, exporting data is necessary for audits, compliance checks, or regulatory requirements where maintaining detailed records is essential. And of course, it's when you combine the data with other internal datasets for comprehensive analysis, you can leverage the power of Google Analytics into other software that you can use to your data. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.